Hi everyone, welcome to DIY Hub TV. So today I'll be making akara, but with a twist. I added something else to the normal beans that I used to make my akara. Instead of just beans, I added a handful of boiled white rice. So I already started the process. Then I remembered that I was supposed to make a video and upload on my YouTube channel. So I had to kind of reverse the process. So what I have here is 3/4 of a milk cup of beans and a handful of boiled rice. This is what the boiled rice looks like. I've already put like half of this, so this is like a handful of the boiled rice. So I blended the beans, the boiled rice, onions, and this pepper. 1 onion and 3 of this shombo, this long pepper. I blended everything together with this stock. This is stock that I got from meat that I made, so I saved it in the fridge. I just brought it out and I added it to the beans with a little bit of water, and I blended it to this smooth paste. After that, I added 1 egg. I've already broken the egg. Like I told you, I already started the process before I remembered I was supposed to make a video. So I already added the egg to the mix, and then I mixed everything together. I added a pinch of salt, and that's just it. So the next thing now is to fry. So I'm going to fry it and show you what it looks like. So I've set my pot on fire and I'm adding oil. This oil is already used oil. I used it for frying. So I'm adding the oil and I'll leave it to heat for like 2 minutes. Okay, my oil is hot enough, so I'll just dish my paste, my blended paste, and I'll just add to the oil. And then at this point, I'll bring down my flame. It doesn't have to be very hot so that it doesn't get burned, and it will cook properly, cook to the inside. So okay, so I'll just leave it to fry. So I'll just flip it over. Just turn it around. Okay, you just flip it around and allow it to cook very well, and then it's ready. So I also want to add another secret for you. The secret to having akara that is not all scattered, and instead of having your balls you have a lot of crumbs, is to add a little flour, maybe a spoon or two of flour into your bean paste. If you're not sure of the consistency, you could add a little bit of flour to it, or you add more eggs. When you add more eggs, it will ensure that your akara is bouncy, it's not scattered and full of crumbs. You can see my oil, you're not seeing crumbs because of the consistency I'm using. If I am not sure of my consistency, I'll either add egg or I add a spoon or two of flour, and it's going to just make my akara rounded and not scattered. So you can see the akara is ready. It's yummy, it's beautiful. My daughter has already started eating hers. So this is what it looks like. Thank you for watching to the end. Please do not forget to like this video. If you have not subscribed to this channel, please click on that subscribe button. Hit on that notification bell so that whenever I drop content like this, YouTube will notify you. Thank you so much for watching. See you in my next video. Bye.